Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. In today's video, I will be showing you my 6 a.m. morning routine. The first thing that I do in the morning is brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower, but I am not showing you that because I don't feel like it. And then the next thing that I do is make my bed. And this is the most important part of my morning because if you don't make your bed, it looks like a mess. The room just looks like a mess. And every morning, I feel so much happier when I make my bed. It's the first thing that I do in the morning. It's the first thing that's completed in the morning. And I have my little stuffed animals. The second thing that I do in the morning is do my skincare. The skincare is important. It's the one thing that I can control. It's self-care at its pinnacle. If I don't do this, I am gonna have acne during the entire week. And I recently started using a gua sha, and it has been the best thing that I've ever discovered. It makes your skin much healthier. You're glowing, and it's like a massage for your face. It is one of the best things that I have discovered. It's a Chinese technique. It does take a lot of time during the morning, but it is crucial for me to do this every single morning. The next thing that I do in the morning is very important to me because I have thin hair, curly. It's never the same, completely different. So I have to take care of it. I use cream, I use oils, and then I braid it because it promotes hair growth and it stays put all day. This is the best braid that I have ever done, and I keep doing it every single day. Let's be real. The only thing I do for makeup is my eyebrows. And there's not much for me to say, but I just have to show you that I do my eyebrows. It has to come out fleeky. I don't feel comfortable leaving my house without my eyebrows on. The next thing that I do is set my environment for meditation. This is the one thing that I have struggled so hard for months, okay? Just sitting there thinking, trying not to think about anything. It took me months. It's almost a year that I started doing meditation. I can say for now that I feel so much more happier and I don't feel so much anxiety living in a chaotic mindset. The minute that I started to meditate, I noticed so many things. I stopped taking things personally. Life just seemed to slow down and I started to enjoy the present moment. The only reason I actually started getting comfortable with meditation is because of Andy. He is a meditation monk. He does guided meditation that help you to feel more comfortable while meditating. I feel so much happier. And I just love the fact that I do meditation. Is not normal and I just feel so different. But there are so many benefits to meditation, and one of them is to always be in the moment, always be present and enjoying yourself in life and being at peace with yourself. It's like also processing your emotions and your thoughts, and you don't really get that kind of moment in the day. So I do 10-minute meditations every single morning and I feel so much better. I can tell you that it does make a huge difference in your life. Okay, so this is the second thing that I had struggled with, with my morning routine, it's journaling. And I can't tell you how hard it was, but after a year of actually journaling and realizing that I'm a very creative person and I need to see colors and put an effort into my pages. So what I do is, make it look pretty, something that I actually want to look through every single day and just be excited for it. And I realized that that's how I work. I like to see things, I like colors, I like art. So this is the only way it was for me to actually do it every single morning. And there are so many benefits to journaling. It's just freeing to let your thoughts go and never having to think about them again. And it's so therapeutic. The next thing that I do every single morning is my yoga routine. Sometimes I skip it because I have to go to work, but for the most part I do my yoga. It keeps me active, flexible, and healthy mentally and physically. I get stronger, and I've actually fixed my back posture from the help of yoga. It helps with my anxiety, and I genuinely feel so much better after doing it. And it's something that is fun to do. It's not something that you have to know. You don't have to be a dancer to know how to do yoga. You don't have to be flexible. You can start very slow, do a couple of poses, and you still get the same effects ish. But yeah, the more work that you put into it, the faster you are to get flexible. But it does have so many benefits. The next thing that I do every single morning is I tidy up the space that I am in. I do it every single morning sometimes, but just putting away the stuff that I didn't put away yesterday because I'm not very productive at night. I don't have a night routine, but I should. And it keeps my room nice and clean all the time. I don't have to worry about cleaning every week. I just have my room nice and clean all the time. And you should be able to do that, because cleaning every one day out of the week is the worst. Just cleaning up at least 5 to 10 minutes a day will keep your room clean for the whole week, and you don't have to separate a whole day just to clean.